Michael Jordan's unrelenting drive to win is legendary, and his sneakers continue to embody that same fierce mentality. As Jordan Brand celebrates its 40th anniversary, it honors MJ's icy dominance on the court with the upcoming release of the Air Jordan 11 Coldest in the game. Following the return of the beloved Gamma colorway, this frosty new rendition delivers a winter-inspired aesthetic with a blend of Glacier Blue, Summit White, and Wolf Gray. The crisp palette captures Jordan's cool, calculated approach to the game, while premium detailing elevates the release to collector status. According to Sneaker Market, fans can expect exclusive packaging and custom insole graphics that further distinguish the drop. While early mock-ups hint at the design direction, the final version may include slight refinements before its official debut. A true celebration of MJ's legacy and Jordan Brand's enduring cultural influence, the Coldest in the game is poised to make a statement this season.